In this tutorial, we will see how you can chat with the Facebook support team in just a few easy steps. Let's dive right in. To start, open your browser and go to facebook.com. There are two methods to contact Facebook support. For the first method, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will show you all the pages you manage. Select the page you want to use to contact support. Once you've opened the page, look at the left side menu and scroll down until you see Meta Business Suite. Click on it and it will open in a new tab. On the left side of this new tab, you will find a Help button. Click on it and then click on Help again to open a small window on the right side. Scroll down within this window until you see the Contact Support option. Clicking on this will allow you to chat directly with the Facebook support team. You can also provide screenshots or attach files if your issue requires visual clarification. The second method is even simpler. Open your Facebook Messenger and type Meta Support in the search bar. You will see two options, Meta Pay Support and Meta Business Support. Click on Meta Business Support, although you can select either depending on your issue. Once you open it, you can type a message and you will be able to chat directly with a support representative from Facebook. Be sure to explain your issue clearly and provide relevant details to get faster and more accurate help. Using either of these methods, you can get help for your account, page, or any issue you may be facing on Facebook. This is a reliable and easy way to reach Facebook support without waiting for email responses. By following these steps, you can quickly get assistance and resolve your problems efficiently. Remember to stay patient, as response times can vary depending on the volume of support requests. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you now know how to chat with the Facebook support team. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy Facebook using!